Hello students, now we'll discuss the next part of the stack, polystring. This is an application of the stack. So now we'll discuss one by one and how to use the different types of operators in a stack and how to solve it. Okay, let us see. So in polystring named that is after it one mathematician, and it refers to the notations in which the operator symbols is placed either before its operand or after it operands. Okay, so that means when the operators we are placing in between, suppose I am writing here a plus b, it is known as the infix notations. If I am writing a b and the operators I am writing here, that is called the postfix notations. And if I am writing plus ab, it is known as beforehand, that is known as prefix notations. So now I will tell you how to convert the that means infix notation to postfix notations, and also we can do infix notation to prefix notations. So let us take some examples here. Okay, in the table I have written few questions. Just let us discuss one by one. Okay, now you see here, first one I have given here a plus b, one expressions I have given, how to convert in prefix. That technique you try to remember, then next when I will give you some just to solve some problems, then it will be easy for you. So now the first one is given, that is a plus b. Okay, so in this case, in case of a plus b, prefix means the operator should be at the beginning, before the operand. Before the operand means operand is a b, so this plus sign will come here. That means now the plus sign will come before a, so that means plus ab. But in case of postfix, this plus will come after b, that means it will come ab plus. Okay, I hope you understood, students. We'll go for the next one. A minus c into b. So few rule is there. First minus means multiplications operator, then division, then plus, then minus. Okay, so I'll tell you after this one. Then here it is a minus c within brackets. So first bracket part should be solved. So a minus c means it should be minus ac. You see minus ac written. Then into b is given. Into will come before. So into came here. So into sign, multiplication sign, minus acb, and here also the same, a minus c is given, so ac minus, and into sign will come this side, so b into. Next here you see a plus b into c, this is a prefix means before the operand, so into sign will come here, so now it came into bc, now you see into bc, and a plus is given, plus will come here, so plus a. So in this case postfix, this into will come here, so bc into, you see bc into, and a plus, but here it was the bracket was there, that means it will come after here, so a bc into plus, this plus will come up to here, because it will means you cannot insert in between, it is a fixed, bc into was fixed, it was within the parenthesis. Next you see a plus b, so it will be plus sign will come before, so plus ab, now you see plus ab. Then by is there, so by will come here, so by came here before, and cd, that minus will come here, so minus cd, it will come minus cd. In case of postfix, in the similar way, a plus b means ab plus, you see that is ab plus, by c minus d, cd minus, you see cd minus, then this by sign will come here, so now by sign will be at the last. Okay, so in this way just we can do. So I hope students you understood those things, and now I will give you some problems just to solve, so it will be easy for you, means how to use this technique in case of evaluating the the value. So we'll see the method of the stack. So while evaluating an infix expressions, there is an evaluation order according to which we have to just do it, follow it. The first one is the brackets or parentheses. Second one is exponentiation. Third one is multiplications or divisions. And fourth is addition or subtractions. Okay, it takes place in the above, in this specified order, and the operators with the same priority, example into and divide sign are evaluated from the left to right. Same priority means plus addition subtraction in same priority, multiplication division in same priority. So if they are together present, so according to the left side onwards, left to right, it will be evaluated. Otherwise, what I told, first one is bracket or parenthesis, second one is exponentiation, third one is the multiplication or division, and fourth one is the addition and subtractions. Okay, so now I am showing you one example here. Okay, just you see one example I have written here, that is convert a plus b into c by d plus e exponentiation f or caret you can say by z. Okay, that will convert into the postfix notation. So I am showing you how to convert it into postfix notation, just you see. So a few examples now I will give you how to evaluate by using the that method whatever we have discussed before. So one by one different types of examples just I will show you. Okay, so first example. So now how to convert, just you see. First, according to the formula I told you, a plus b, so this within the bracket work just will do first. So it will be ab plus, and after that you write just into sign c by d plus e caret f, and within bracket that is by z. After ab plus, then we can just do from left to right, this into sign we can do. So it should be ab plus into c is given, so you can do c into, and this by we can write, that is d by, and this e exponentiation part should be done first, so we can do it e f, this one, and this plus sign was here, now it will go to after this one, now like this. So I can keep it within by z. Next is ab, this parenthesis should be removed, ab plus c into d by e f plus z by. Okay, I hope students you understood this one. So let us do the next one. So students, the next example just I am showing you one example number 2, convert not a or not b and not c into postfix notations. Okay, so in the similar way just we'll do. So not a we can keep it within bracket, not b another one, and not c is there. So not a means according to the postfix notation, so we can write a not, and here we can write or, then b not, then write and you write c not. So now a not is already there, b not is there, c not is there, or and is there. So first operator, according to the operator precedence, first chance will give to and first. So just we'll write here a not, or will be like this, b not, and this and will go here, that means c not and. Now this or, now here it is continuously it is there, so now it will be a not, this or will go direct here, so that means b not, c not, and or. Because this one thing you remember, in between operators cannot be inserted, because when we have removed this and here, so now this is only one part, so we cannot insert any operators in between, that's why or will go to the last one. Okay, so now we'll see the next example. So let us see students, another example I am showing you, that is another example is convert a plus b into c minus d by e exponentiation f, that is bracket into z into h in a form of stack method, that means postfix notations showing stack status after every steps in tabular formats. Okay, so first ones what we'll do in a tabular formats, we'll make 3 columns. One is, that is the symbol scanned, another one is the stack, and another one is the final expressions. So I'll show you one by one. Okay, so minutely just try to observe it and accordingly just will solve it. So first what we'll do in this part, all the symbols whatever it is there, just one by one will scan here. Okay, so now first I have scanned the brackets, so the stack method here will write the bracket here. Okay, and expression nothing is there, because in this case just we'll write only the alphabets along with the expressions along with the into sign what we have shifted. But before that, one thing you remember, two rules I am telling you, two tricks I am giving you. When we are closing the parenthesis, that time the symbols, the operators will shift. Remember, when we are closing the brackets or parenthesis, that time the symbols will be shifted to the next one. Another one is that if the lower precedence operator came after the higher, in that time also that operators can be shifted to right. Okay, these two tricks you remember, that accordingly just I will do it. So first one is this bracket one. In the stack, first this one will be scanned. Okay, this one will be scanned, expression nothing will be there. Then A came here, so we'll not write A here, A will be here. Okay, this A will be here. Next is plus sign came, so after bracket then plus sign came, so it will be like that, A. Then again bracket came, again one more bracket came, so one more bracket means this like this, so it will be like that, A. Then after that B is coming, here you see that is B is coming, so we'll write bracket plus bracket, then nothing will be there because operators will write here, so it will be A and B. Next is given into sign, so into sign is given, so just means like this, then plus, then into, it will be just like AB. Then again that is C is coming, so bracket plus bracket into, so it will be A, B and C. Then minus sign is there, so minus sign means plus. So minus sign when it is coming, I told the according to our precedence, minus sign is the lower precedence than the into sign, so that's why now it will shift. So when minus is coming here, so this into sign will come here, so A, B, C into. Okay, A, B, C into. Then after that, after C, after minus sign, then bracket is coming, so that means one bracket here, so then this plus, then bracket, then minus, okay, then opening bracket. Opening bracket is there, then it will be like that only, A, B, C into. Then D is coming, here D is coming, so this one plus bracket minus bracket, then D is coming, so A, B, C into D. Then by sign is coming, so bracket plus this one minus this one. After that by sign is coming, so by will write here. Then after that it is as well like this, A, B, C into D. So I'm just going fast. Next one I'm just showing you. So students, I went fast. Just we had completed till here. So see, that is one bracket we have taken, one by sign, you see by sign I have taken here. So now I have written here by. Okay, so as usual A, B, C into D. The next one will just scan E. So as usual it will be like that, and E will be removed. E we have added here. Then exponential sign, that is caret sign. So we have we will take caret here, bracket plus bracket minus bracket by caret sign. It will be as usual like that. Then after that F came, so it will be like that as usual, and it will ABC into DEF came here. Then bracket close. So when we are closing the bracket, it was the opening bracket, and now we'll close here. Means sorry, not this one. It was not the opening bracket. Opening bracket was different one. This is the different one. So opening bracket was this one. This one is the opening bracket, and this is the closing bracket. So all the symbols, all the operators within that, it should be shifted to right, means in reverse order. So when we are closing this one, first this exponential operators, that one will come first, and after that by sign will come after that. Okay, next is coming bracket. When we are closing again another bracket, this minus, okay, this, that means only this bracket minus sign will be here. And next one is into sign, C, that is bracket plus bracket minus into, it will be as usual. Then just like the previous one. Then G will be inserted, scanned, bracket plus bracket minus into, then G will be added here. Then after that bracket, again closing bracket. Now you see this is the closing bracket. Closing bracket means when we are using the closing bracket, that means we are putting here closing bracket here. It was the opening bracket, so that into and minus sign will be shifted to last, but in reverse way. First into and minus. Now you see this into and minus will be shifted here. Okay, after that again we are into sign, we have scanned, then plus sign was here, plus and into, so now it will be as usual. Then after that H, so we have added H. When we are closing bracket, again one closing bracket is here, so this into plus sign will be at last, into and plus sign will be at last. So finally we got this output, A B C into D E F caret by Z into minus H into plus. Okay, so in this way it will be calculated in a stack way. Maybe little bit it is font size is not clear, I think, but just you can zoom and just zoom in and enlarge the screen and try to understand, and it will be very easy. It is given in the book also. I have once again I am solving here so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, we'll go for the next example. So students, another example just I am showing you, another that is a type of example also, just you remember. Example number 4, convert 562 plus into 124 by and minus into postfix notation, and showing stack status after every steps in tabular form. Okay, first we'll scan in the similar way. First we'll take the 3 columns. One is symbol scanned, one is stack, and one is expression. Here we'll evaluate the final value. This is another type of example. So in this case, first I have written 562 in a tabular format. Just in a column I have written 562 plus into 124 by and minus. So let us see what. One thing you remember, when we'll insert, that is called push, and when we'll delete, that is called pop. Accordingly will be calculated. So now you see. So when symbol 5 will be scanned, that means we are writing push here. Means 5 we are inserting here. So expression will be 5 here. Next, when 6 is coming, again scan is that is again push, means that is 5. Now it came 6. So when 2 again came here, that means again the push operation. So that means coming 5, 6, 2. So when plus sign is there, plus sign means that is called the pop operations. So that is pop. When pop means 6 was there, last 2 operation will be calculated. 6 plus 2, that means equal to 8. So the output will be 5, 8. Then into is coming, so that also pop. So that means it was 5 into 8 equal to 40. So the output will be 40. Then 12 is coming, that is called push. So 40, 12. Then 4 is coming, so 4 is that is push. 40, 12, 4. Then divide sign is coming, that is called pop. Pop means that is 12 by 4 means 3, 40, and you write 4, 3, 12, 3. Then minus sign is given, that is called pop. Then that means last 40 minus 3, that is called 37. So in this way we can calculate, we can evaluate, and the final value will be that is 37. The final value will be 37. Okay, so it is the final value and it is the result. Okay, we'll go for the next example. So we'll see the next example, students. Example 5. Convert true, false, not, or false, true, or, and into postfix notation, and showing stack status after every steps in tabular form. Okay. So the first 3 columns we'll just do according to the previous one. Symbol scanned, stack, and expression. So this all things I have scanned here. One is true, one is false, one is not, one is or, then false, true, or, and. Okay, everything whatever I have written here, everything I will scan all the scanned object right in one column. Okay, so now let us start. So this is true is given, so stack means this is true, means it is the value is coming, so that means push operation, so it will come, that is true. Next false is there, that is also push, so it will be true, and after that write false. Then not operator is coming, that is called pop. It will, so pop means true, not means not of the last value, that means not false. It will be not false, that means the value will be true and true. Then OR operator is given, that means pop. OR means this true or true, true or true, it means the value will come true. Then false, that is also pop. False means the last value, means true value was there, so that means this is false is given, that is, or was this is false means one value data we are just inserting here, it will be push, so it was true, now it came false. Now true value is there, so it is also push, that is true, false, it will be true. Then OR is given, OR means pop, means last two, that is false or true, so that will be true, so that means true, and here you will write true. Then AND is given, that is also pop. Pop means last true, this is true and true, that means true, the output will be true. So this is the final answer, the final answer will be true. Okay, in the similar way how we have done the before, in the similar way we are doing. So these are some examples are given, type of examples I have given, different types of example, how we are using this one in stack to evaluate the value, that is the conversion from infix to postfix notations in a tabular form or stack method we are following. So when it will be there, just convert this one in postfix notation showing stack status it is given, means you have to do in this way. Okay, so few examples I have given, so just you try more examples, and if any difficulties will be there, then you can send me the message also. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day.